Hey guys, Realme GT now released in China and later it will be available worldwide. Realme is famous for being really good making battery and charging technology. So with the Realme GT 5 Pro, these two things are some of the best feature it has. So if you buy Realme GT 5 Pro, you will be get super fast charging and a really big battery. So based on the information we have, it seems like a battery and charging speed are going to be awesome. Realme has been making their phone battery are each model bigger and bigger. Like Realme GT 5 come with 5240 mAh battery. Now Realme GT 5 Pro has a even more larger battery, 5400 mAh battery. It's surprised how they fix so much battery in such a slim phone. And you also get very good battery life on the Realme GT 5 Pro, especially with the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC that makes the phone more efficiency and powerful. And in the box you also get 100-watt fast charging adapter. And finally Realme GT 5 Pro has a wireless charging at a support 50 watt, and also Realme GT 5 can be charged other device at a 10 watt. So overall the Realme GT are going to be way better. And I am also making some video about Realme GT 5 Pro. Check this video. So that's all about today video, and if you found this video informative, make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will be catching the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.